I enjoy home improvement projects and wanted to share a device that is worth purchasing and can be a game changer for your home or project. I have installed these special outlets in bathrooms, garages, staircases, and anywhere a light is needed. The nightlight has 5 adjustable levels, and it also powers off automatically when it detects light and powers on when the room goes dark. It arrives with all accessories needed to install, including a small window to aim the nightlight downwards and wire clamps for a quick and easy installation. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.